Hello friends, welcome to my channel Kids. Hope you all are safe. दोस्तों, लॉकडाउन धीरे धीरे खुल रहा है, बच्चों की स्कूल्स भी ऑनलाइन चालू हो रही है और साथ ही साथ रेनी सीजन भी चालू होने वाला है। तो अभी बच्चों को एंगेज रखना पड़ेगा, बोर नहीं होने चाहिए। बच्चे ऑलरेडी हमारे 2-2.5 महीने से घर के अंदर एंगेज है, बट एटलीस्ट उनको ये फैसिलिटी थी कि टेरेस पे चले जाए या फिर बालकनीज ये वो, बट बारिश के मौसम में हम उनको वो भी परमिशन नहीं दे सकते हैं। सो अभी उनको घर में कैसे एंगेज रखे और साथ ही साथ उनकी लर्निंग कैसे हो, तो यही सोच के मैंने एक आपके लिए वीडियो बनाया है, जहाँ की मैंने अपने बच्चे के साथ कोई एक्टिविटीज की है और जो मैं करूंगी कंटिन्यू, वही मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ। तो आज मैंने पहला टॉपिक लिया है अल्फाबेट। अल्फाबेट को हम किस तरीके से और कौन से डिफरेंट वेज से सिखा सकते हैं और उनको उसमें से कौन से टाइप के नॉलेज दे सकते हैं, जैसे कि एक रिकग्निशन ऑफ कैपिटल एंड स्मॉल लेटर्स, देन वी कैन टेल देम टू मैच द लेटर्स। साथ ही साथ हम उनको फोनिक्स सिखा सकते हैं, फिर उनको कितने अल्फाबेट होते हैं, वोवल्स, कॉन्सोनेंट, ये सब चीजें भी हम उनको एज पर द एज सिखा सकते हैं। तो मेरा बच्चा 3.5 साल का है, उसी हिसाब से मैंने उसके लिए एक्टिविटीज बनाई है जो कि मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी। दोस्तों, वीडियो थोड़ा सा लेंदी हो सकता है, बट डेफिनेटली इफ यू वॉच टिल एंड इट विल श्योरली हेल्प यू एंड योर चाइल्ड।
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Okay, so here I have made a letters in a drawing book where I have written the capital case, where child will recognize the letters. First, initially we have to tell them how to recognize the letters. So here Shreyansh will match with the capital case. He will tell the names, and later on the same way we can practice the phonics sounds also with this same sheet. Okay. Now Shreyansh, you have to match these capital case. You have to tell the letter names. So whichever letter is not there, he will put it in this extra ball. As there is a limitation, I did not find any chart paper, so I have written till P and then later on continued on the next page. Okay, so let us start. Say hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Yeah. Okay, so start it.
A.
Which letter is this?
A.
Correct. Next.
B.
Yeah, V is not there.
Not the
He took a V letter which is not there, so he's putting it in this bowl. Yeah. Next. Letter E. Correct. Letter E. Yes. Next.
D.
Letter D. Correct. Next.
M.
Letter M. Correct. Next.
Then
Z is not there, so he's putting in
Not
another one. Yeah, not there.
not there.
Correct. Next. Letter
G.
G. Correct. Next.
E. Not there.
Okay. Next. Letter
D.
D. Okay. This is not D. We are doing capital case. Letter P.
E.
Yes.
Yes. A.
It is there. Letter L.
L.
You have to say the letter name. Which letter is there?
T.
The letter
C.
C. Now he has matched all the capital letters. The same sheet. He will be telling us the sounds. Shreyansh, pick up the letters and tell me the sounds. Pick up the letters.
and Roya.
What is the sound of this letter? Correct. Next? Yes. Next letter. Which letter is this? Say loudly.
Pa.
Pa. It is P. So P says pa. Next. Next.
Quay. But B said but.
Very good.
It said
Okay. So these are the letter sounds. Here he has matched the letters with the sounds. You can just see. And even child can repeat. There is another activity where child has to identify the pictures and accordingly he will put the letter sounds. I have just taken out the letters whichever are related to these pictures so the child won't be confused and the activity will be done quickly. So let us start. Shreyansh, are you ready? Okay. So can you tell me which picture is this? So which sound will come?
wrong.
Okay. Where is the sound? Very good. Which picture is this?
Kite.
Very good. See, he's saying kite. Means he's identifying the picture. Yes, put up here. And he can also recognize the letter also. Which picture is this?
Ball.
Correct. Shreyansh loves to play ball, right? Yeah. Which picture is this?
Drum.
Correct. The drum. So this is the way you can teach also. Next.
Kite.
Hat. Correct. Which letter? Yes. What is this?
Leaf.
Leaf. So which letter will come?
L.
Very good. What is the sound of L letter? Tell me the sound of L letter. Sound. Very good. Yes. Next picture. Arrow. Correct. So this way child is revising the sounds, the letters and the pictures also. And even he is telling the names, which is the capital letters. Yes. Which is the next picture? Carrot. So which letter will come? Correct. So see, wonderfully the child has presented it. It looks beautiful also and even the child is enjoying the activity worksheets. Frog, kite, ball, drum, chuck. Similarly, he will perform on the another side. Yes, Shreyansh, let us continue. What is the next picture? What is this? What is this? Snail. Forgot it. Yeah. What is this? Jug. Very good. Correct. What is this? Grass. Correct. Tell me this. Moon. What is the sound? First letter. Okay, you have to tell the sound. Correct. What is this?
Pencil.
Pencil. Say like this. What is this?
Watch.
Which letter will come?
The blue.
Correct. What is this?
What? Yo-yo.
Yo-yo. Peppa Pig likes to play yo-yo, right?
Peppa.
Correct. He loves Peppa Pig. Now see. Here also you can match like this. Okay? Snail. Jug. Grass. Moon. So like this you can perform the activity. Here is another activity where you can match smaller case to the upper case to the smaller case, like this, vice versa. Accordingly, I have made this simple matching with using the props. So, Shreyansh, can you just match with the smaller case? You have to match the capital letters. Yes, very good. You can pick it up and keep it here. Chalo. You have to do like this. What is this?
F, F, A.
Okay, now you're saying the sound with the name of the letter. A. Next. Correct.
B, B,
B. Okay, next. Correct.
T, T,
Yes, very good. This you can do it while traveling or any time. You can just carry those ABCDs with you. Yes, next.
E, D, duck.
Very good.
E, D, duck.
Okay, next.
E, A.
Very good. Very nice. Well done. Correct. So, hope you enjoyed these activities. Keep your activities colorful. Be enthusiastic with the children and creative. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button and share with your family and friends. If you have any queries, do let me know through my email ID. Thank you.